shot can get you into transition if you defend well.
That free throw.
What's up, YouTube? This is Mizzou91 bringing you an NBA 2K11 My Player. This is my first career start. I already have 2 points. And we're only 30 seconds in.
And he can't hit the second.
And I went 0 for 2 there at the free throw line.
And so here is a man moving on after the tough loss they took at the hands of the Warriors.
Well, he just never seemed to get on track.
We're playing the Hawks.
Struggled to get into their usual groove. It didn't seem like they were disjointed and off balance.
And there was a missed 3. So still 2 points.
18-point outing in the last game against Golden State. Here's Crawford. The Hawks again can't hit. And here are the Blazers. They're moving on after the tough loss they took.
I was hoping I could get a dunk there, but I'll take a
What they
layup.
got to be aware of and ready to do is to adjust the game plan if something's not working. They kept trying to bury the long ball, 70 for 3.
I want that to be my ringtone on my phone. Gatorade song.
You got to change your approach if something's not working.
Here's Heinrich. The Blazers getting the ball.
Where's my man? Oh, there's my man.
He's coming off a 31
Block.
against the Warriors in Oakland. And the jumper falls for him.
And finally, Kev, they get one to fall. Man, it's been a struggle here to start this game.
On defense, the Hawks. Miller outside. Here's the beast. Shot misses. Now Atlanta takes it the other way. The runner. Kept alive. Crawford tries to drop it in, but it won't go.
So far, he just can't get one to go from the field. It's just been one of those kind of games.
Pitch to Aldridge. He's against Smith. Oden guarded by Horford. Shot by Oden. So good.
They're trying to deny me the ball, which they did a pretty good job there.
Heinrich with it. They really needed more from him in that loss to Golden State. Pass to Johnson. No good. That would have tied it. Portland leading. Miller outside. Here's the beast, guarded by Heinrich.
6
That one's
points.
good. He's got 6.
I have all the Trailblazer points right now.
Points a game.
And this is a kid who averages 9 points a game.
Got a piece of it.
He knew exactly where the ball was going and got a hand on it.
Here's the beast. As Johnson picking him up.
I wish I could have nailed that.
All decision-making there. Heinrich kicks to Smith. Pass to Horford. He's against Oden. Shoots from the post. Horford no luck. Trailblazers leading by 4. Miller the pass to Oden. Back to Miller. He's guarded by Johnson. 18 feet away. And it's Miller missing.
The D didn't respect him from that distance, and now we know why.
And it's Miller picking him up. Here's Johnson. Good, and Heinrich gets the assist. Johnson's got his first basket of the night. And here are the Trailblazers. Miller kicks to Wallace. He's guarded by Johnson. Back to Miller. Just 4 to shoot. Here's Aldridge. That's it. Coming off an assist from Miller.
Sorry, guys.
His height is really an advantage on
All
that
excited
mid-range
there.
jumper.
The numb truck.
He can just rise up and pop it right over the defenders and get a good shot every time.
And now the first timeout call here for the Hawks. As we grind through the season, let's see how the East is shaping up. Taking a look at Boston. They're in control of the #1 seed, looking to finish out the season strong. And checking out Atlanta. Not really any threat right now. But Julian, he's checked in for the Hawks. Steve comes in for Kirk Hunter. Johnson can't get it to go.
And no light.
On track here.
8 points.
8 points for him.
Good execution on the break leads to the nice bucket.
Here's Crawford. Not with the scoreboard yet. Here's T. And Smith backing in. Shoots over the 2. Nice shot by Smith. Smith's got his first 2 points.
This is what happens when the defense lags. Wrong guy to give an opening to.
Here's the Beast. Pachulia snatches it inside. The Hawks trail by 4. Now T. The 2 with the ball. Here's the Beast. And laying it in as that one falls through. He's got 10.
Excellent anticipation there, kid. He placed that pass perfect.
Here's T. Crawford outside. With 4 seconds on the clock. T with the nice D. Right now he's going to build a clock.
Trying to go for the last second shot there.
And so is Ross. 6.
Getting subbed in a second. Might be a lengthy gameplay.
10 points for him.
I might do 2 separate gameplays. Think about that.
He's got 12. Here is Heinrich.
Separate them up.
In the second. The Beast in its small.
Two halves.
Miller and Roy are in the bank. Then it's Wallace and Evans. That's the group on the floor for Portland. Now here's Johnson. Doesn't get enough under it. Here's the beat, and he sends it home. Here's the replay on the Spike Slam team.
Right now, he's just too good, Kevin. Way too good. They need to bring a second defender to try to make him give up the ball.
Atlanta with the ball. They're off to Denver after this game as they apply their skills at the Pepsi Center. And that will conclude this long 7-game road trip. Johnson against Roy. And Johnson missing again.
They need to send out a search party to find his offense, Kevin. It's been AWOL this whole quarter.
Roy against Johnson. His first shot of the game. Wallace misses.
Smart D forced him into taking that mid-range jump shot, and as you might expect, he wasn't able to knock it down.
Shot clock and game clock separated by less than 6 seconds. Here's Johnson. And Johnson missing again.
Another miss, and his shooting percentage continues to go south. He's a streaky shooter.
Yeah, guys, I'm going to do 2 separate gameplays. One for each quarter. I'll
8 points a game.
put that.
Another miss by Johnson.
Drill is gone, and so is his offense. He's not making anything. It's a great look.
I'll get the second one uploaded after this one. So
Back in a moment, live from Portland.
let you see the halftime report.
Thanks for tuning in to the Sunday night edition of HP at the Half. Portland with a lead against Atlanta. They find them. And now we send you back to the Rose Garden for the start of the
I have 18 points.